In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a check in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a check, review the details that matter, and send it to your printer with confidence. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, look for the New button, the one with the plus sign. Click that and choose Check. This opens the check form. At the top, select the bank account you want the funds to come from. It's important to pick the correct account here, because this determines where the payment is recorded and which check number sequence you're using. Now fill in the basics. Enter the payee, the person or company you're paying. Add the date of the check so it matches when you intend to issue it. Then move to category or item details. Use category if you're recording an expense to a general ledger account like utilities or office supplies. Use item details if you're paying for a specific product or service you track in your item list. Add a clear description, quantities, or rates if needed, and make sure the amount reflects exactly what you want printed. QuickBooks will total it for you, but give everything a quick review. Payee spelling, date, the right account, and the dollar amount. Small typos can cause big delays when you're dealing with checks. When everything looks correct, click Save and Print. This saves the transaction to your books and prepares it for printing. Next, you'll see the option to print check. Click that to open the printing screen. Before you print, load your check stock into the printer. Make sure you're using the correct orientation your printer requires for your check style, whether it's standard voucher checks or another layout. If your checks are pre-printed with your bank and company information, ensure your printer is set to print at actual size so the text lines up properly with the pre-printed fields. With your check stock loaded, click Print. Your browser's print dialog will appear. Confirm the correct printer is selected and that scaling is set to 100% or actual size. Then send it to the printer. When it finishes, compare the printed check to what you entered, payee name, dollar amount in numbers and words, and the date. If everything matches, you're all set. That's it. You clicked New, selected check, chose the bank account, entered the payee, date, category, or item details and amount. Then you saved and printed, clicked Print Check, loaded your check stock, and clicked Print. Follow these steps each time and you'll print accurate, professional checks in QuickBooks Online without the guesswork.